Okay, what we have here is we have a 36-inch wide window. We have 3 panels. So the required hardware we need for this are we need the stainless steel track bolts and then the wing nuts. Now in installing this panel, we have holes which are called key slots. On the side of the house, on these panels, we will install with the small part of the key slot at the top. So when we place it on, we're going to drop it down onto the stud. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab 7 bolts. We're going to slide the bolts in the track. The bolts are square headed, so they slide in from either end. And we are going to install these on each of the black dots I have marked, which are 6 inches on center. 36-inch window takes 7 bolts. A 24-inch window takes 5 bolts. So as you can see, we have them placed every 6 inches. This just speeds up the application. 7 bolts. Now we're going to grab some wing nuts. In installing panels, make sure you always grab at least 2 wing nuts because you'll always end up dropping one. So we're going to grab the panel. I'm right-handed. I start from the right side. Taking the track, we are going to install it in the top just by sliding it in, and then we just place it over top of the studs and let it fall. The panel is resting on the studs. We just need very light pressure with my fingers to keep it against the window so it does not fall off. Don't ever walk away from it. So just keep slight pressure on. Just like the front door, we're going to start with the center. That will balance the panel out. We're going to tighten it. This one we're just going to use our hand. Okay. And then we're going to put the outside on. Okay. We leave this one off because that's where the next panel overlaps. We're going to eyeball the panel to make sure that it is plumb with the house. Okay, looks good. Now we're going to pinch them up. Grab 2 more wing nuts. Another panel. Small slot is facing up towards the top. So we go up here, we overlap. We keep the bottom kicked to the left a little bit just to make installation easier. And the panel just slides in, just like that. Put it over top the stud. Make sure they're lined up. Install the center. At this point, all we need to do is start these. We don't need to tighten any of them, so we're just going to finger start each one, making sure they start. We will use the driver when we come back, snug them up. Take the next panel, overlap, slide it up, place it over the stud. Center, we start. All we need to do is start them. Okay, we take our drill. We have it on number 3 on the clutch setting. We have the wing nut driver that's supplied. We start back from the right-hand side, and we're going to work our way right across. We just place it over the wing nut and hit the trigger. Installation is complete. What we're going to show you now is the quickest way to take these down. We have the drill, wing nut driver. We're going to click the clutch up a couple notches just to get them off. So the important thing is in removing these is just to keep slight pressure so that they rest on top of the studs and don't fall off. So we started from the right, installing. Now we're going to start from the left and work our way back. This panel is held in by 3 wing nuts. The panel will not fall off until the last wing nut's taken off. So we're going to start here. Keep my hand underneath, very light pressure. And we're just going to remove the wing nuts. Go to the second one. In here, very light pressure with my hand. The third one's off. Now here's the trick. You take your drill, hold the shutter very light, pressure. Take the panel off. Go to the next one. Okay. Very light pressure. We switch it, holding it with the drill, take it off. Light pressure, remove. And we just take the studs, slide them out. Install or removal is complete.